Hello everyone, my name is Emilios and today we're going to build HPX on a Unix machine. So let's get started. In order to build HPX on a Unix machine, you will need two things. Git to clone HPX repository on your machine and CMake in order to create the files needed to build HPX.
After I clone HPX to my machine,
first thing I'm going to do is create the directory where I want to build HPX and I'm going to move into it. Now, the building process of HPX is a highly configurable one and you can use various options to influence it. There are over 100 options to use depending on your case and you can find them all in the link provided in the description. Now the first options that we're going to use are the ones that download the dependencies of HPX. To do that, we're going to use the flag HPX with fetch and the name of the dependency. The first dependency is portable hardware locality, a platform that HPX uses to extract information about the used hardware. The second dependency is boost, a set of C++ libraries. And the last dependency is ASIO, a cross-platform C++ library for network and low-level I/O programming that provides developers with a consistent asynchronous model using a modern C++ approach. Now, in addition to downloading dependencies, we can also use options to fetch other packages that provides additional features. For example, Apex, which provides information about individual tasks in the HPX runtime. To fetch Apex, we're going to use the exact same flag and we're going to add Apex. Now we need to also enable it, so we're going to use the flag HPX with Apex. And we are ready. Lastly, we can use options to enable features that are already built in. For example, examples. If you want to build HPX with examples, you're just going to use the flag HPX with examples. Now that I have configured my build to my needs,
I'm going to provide the path to HPX.
Start the configuration process. This process takes a while, so we're gonna skip it. Now that the configuration process is finished, we're gonna build the project by running CMake build.target install. And this starts the building process, which takes a while, so we're gonna skip. As you can see, the building process is now finished. And I'm going to run a small example for demonstration purposes. It's a small hello world script. As you can see, it prints hello world and the output of Apex. If you want to learn how to create your own hello world project, we have a very detailed tutorial in the description. So guys, this was building HPX on Unix. Thank you so much for watching and happy coding!